Today, we're diving into ThriveCart Learn, a course creation and management platform that's part of the ThriveCart suite. It's designed to help course creators sell and manage their online courses efficiently without the hassle of monthly fees. But the question is, does it live up to the hype? In this review, we'll cover what ThriveCart Learn offers, how it compares to other course platforms, and whether it's the right choice for you and your business. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether ThriveCart Learn and its upgrade, ThriveCart Learn Plus, are worth your investment. What is ThriveCart Learn? ThriveCart Learn is the learning management system that's built into ThriveCart, which itself is a popular platform for creating checkout pages, sales funnels, and managing affiliate programs. ThriveCart Learn extends this functionality into the world of online courses, allowing you to create, sell, and manage courses all from the same platform. What sets ThriveCart Learn apart is its one-time fee. Instead of charging monthly or annual subscription fees like many of its competitors, ThriveCart Learn offers lifetime access. You pay once, and you can create and sell courses forever. This is a big draw for anyone looking to cut down on recurring expenses, especially if you're already using ThriveCart for your checkout pages and funnels. For those who need a more robust setup, there's ThriveCart Learn Plus, an upgrade that unlocks additional features like course bundles, advanced student segmentation, and team management. Let's break down what you get with the standard version of the ThriveCart Learn first, and then we'll take a look at the Plus upgrade later. Course creation, simplified and streamlined. When it comes to course creation, ThriveCart Learn keeps things simple and intuitive. Creating a course in ThriveCart Learn is straightforward. You start by setting up modules and lessons, and you can organize these however you like. The process is easy to understand even if you're brand new to course creation. One feature that stands out is how you can add different types of content, including videos, text, audio, and downloadable files. This flexibility means that you can create rich, multimedia courses without needing a separate platform for hosting each type of content. However, one caveat is that ThriveCart Learn does not host videos directly. You'll need to embed videos from a third-party service like Vimeo, Wistia, or YouTube. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, especially if you already use these services, but it is an extra step to keep in mind. For creators who want to drip content over time, ThriveCart Learn offers drip functionality, allowing you to release lessons or modules on a schedule. This is a great feature for cohort-based courses or when you want to keep students engaged over a longer period. Customization options. On the customization front, ThriveCart Learn gives you control over the look and feel of your courses. You can choose from 3 different layouts: sidebar, top menu, and grid. Each layout offers a different way to present your content, depending on your course structure and preferences. The sidebar layout is the most popular because it's intuitive for students to navigate. The left-hand column shows all the modules and lessons, while the main content area displays the current lesson. It's simple, clean, and works well for most courses. If you have a lot of visual content or multiple courses, the grid layout can be a great alternative. ThriveCart Learn also allows you to fully brand your course pages. You can customize fonts, colors, and even the spacing of elements to ensure that your course matches your overall brand identity. While it's not as flexible as some other platforms in terms of deep design control, it's more than enough for most course creators who want a professional looking course without spending hours tweaking every element. Practical example. Let's say you're creating a course on digital marketing. You might start by creating a module on SEO basics with individual lessons on keyword research, on page optimization, and link building. Each lesson could include a combination of videos, downloadable resources, and quizzes to help students test their knowledge. If you're using ThriveCart Learn, you'd simply create the SEO module, add the lessons, and embed your video tutorials from something like Vimeo or YouTube. You could also upload a PDF checklist for your students to download and follow along with. Setting up a drip schedule would ensure that students don't get overwhelmed by receiving all the lessons at once. They'd get a new lesson every few days or weeks, helping them stay engaged. So what about the ThriveCart Learn Plus upgrade? For an additional one-time fee, Learn Plus unlocks several features that are particularly useful if you're running a more complex online business or scaling up your course offerings. Key features of Learn Plus. Course bundles. So this is one of the most requested features. With Learn Plus, you can bundle multiple courses together and offer them at a discounted price. This is perfect for running promotions like Black Friday sales or offering an all-access pass to your content library. Bundling can also help increase your average order value, especially if you have a wide variety of courses or a tiered pricing structure. Advanced drip content. While the basic version of ThriveCart Learn lets you drip content on a simple schedule, Learn Plus gives you more advanced options. For instance, you can release content based on specific tags or student behavior. If a student completes one course, they can automatically gain access to the next module or a bonus lesson, all without you having to manually adjust their access. Team members. If you're working with a team, whether it's virtual assistants or co-instructors, Learn Plus allows you to add them to your account and give them access to help manage your courses. This is a crucial feature for larger businesses where multiple people are involved in course creation, customer support, or marketing. Custom domains. For those who want a more professional appearance, Learn Plus allows you to use custom domains for your course pages. Instead of having your course hosted on a ThriveCart subdomain, you can use your own domain to give students a seamless experience that feels fully integrated with your brand. Pricing and value for money. Now let's talk about one of the biggest selling points of ThriveCart Learn, and that is pricing. ThriveCart Learn is included in the standard ThriveCart plan, which currently costs a one-time fee of $495. That's right, there's no monthly subscription fees. For course creators, this can be a game changer. Platforms like Teachable and Kajabi charge anywhere from $39 to $159 or more per month, depending on the plan that you choose. Over time, that adds up to thousands of dollars in fees, whereas ThriveCart Learn is a one-time investment that you never have to pay for again. If you decide to upgrade to ThriveCart Learn Plus, there's an additional one-time fee of $195. This brings the total cost to $690, which is still a fraction of what you'd pay for other platforms over a longer term. Now, when you consider the lifetime value and lack of recurring fees, ThriveCart Learn offers incredible value, especially for those who plan to sell courses for years to come. Comparing ThriveCart Learn to other platforms. So how does ThriveCart Learn stack up against its competition? Let's take a look at some of the most popular alternatives out there. Teachable. Teachable is one of the most popular course creation platforms, known for its ease of use and solid feature set. But while Teachable has a free plan, you'll quickly outgrow it as you start selling more courses, especially when you factor in the transaction fees on their lower tier plans. Where ThriveCart Learn has a clear advantage is in the cost structure. While Teachable charges monthly fees ranging from $39 to $249 per month, ThriveCart Learn offers lifetime access for a single payment. If you're planning on selling courses for years to come, this difference in pricing can seriously add up quickly. Teachable also offers some features that ThriveCart Learn lacks, such as built-in video hosting and native community features. However, for many course creators, the additional monthly fees and limitations in customization on Teachable may outweigh these benefits. Kajabi. Kajabi is often seen as the gold standard for all-in-one platforms because it offers everything: course hosting, landing pages, email marketing, and even its own mobile app. But Kajabi comes at a premium price. Plans start at $55 per month and go up to $399 per month. ThriveCart Learn is a much more affordable and integrates seamlessly with third-party tools, giving you more flexibility if you already have an email marketing service or landing page builder in place. Kajabi does offer more advanced marketing and automation tools, so if you're running a high-end, fully integrated business, then Kajabi might be worth the investment. But for most creators who are looking to avoid those high monthly fees, then ThriveCart Learn is going to be the better option. Thinkific. Thinkific is another competitor that's similar to Teachable in terms of pricing and features. One of Thinkific's standout features is its community building tools, which ThriveCart Learn doesn't currently offer. If building a community around your course is important to you, then Thinkific might be worth considering. However, like Teachable, Thinkific's monthly fees quickly add up. Their plan starts at $36 per month and go all the way up to $199 per month. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the pros and cons of ThriveCart Learn. The pros: one-time payment, no monthly fees, making it much more affordable in the long run. Seamless integration. It works perfectly with ThriveCart, so you can manage your courses, checkout pages, and funnels all in one place. Flexible course creation. Add videos, text, audio, and downloadable resources easily. Drip content. Schedule content releases to keep students engaged. Custom branding. Customize the look and feel of your course pages to match your brand. Scalable. With the Learn Plus upgrade, you can add team members, create bundles, and automate advanced workflows. Now for the cons. No built-in video hosting. You'll need to use a third-party service like Vimeo or YouTube. Limited community features. Unlike Kajabi or Thinkific, ThriveCart Learn doesn't offer native community building tools. Basic analytics. While you can track student progress, ThriveCart Learn doesn't offer as detailed analytics as some other platforms. Final verdict. So, is ThriveCart Learn worth it? For course creators who want a one-time payment solution that integrates seamlessly with their checkout system, ThriveCart Learn is a fantastic option. It offers robust features, customization, and scalability without the ongoing monthly fees that can eat into your profits. If you're just starting out or running a small business, the standard ThriveCart Learn platform will likely be more than enough for your needs, for now at least. And if you need advanced features like course bundles or team management, the Learn Plus upgrade is a relatively inexpensive way to get them. If you want to get started with ThriveCart Learn or upgrade to ThriveCart Learn Plus today, you'll find links down in the description to do so. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use this link at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss an update. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.